Welcome back to my channel, guys. This is Iffy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieve a flakeless wash and go. As you can see, I just deep conditioned my hair, link above, and I just want to make sure all the products are out so I won't have any flakes or residue once I finish drying my hair. So of course, we're going to make sure that our hair is properly detangled and then section it into smaller sections. It's best to work with our hair in smaller sections so we know the product is easily distributed into the hair. We're going to start off with using Paul Mitchell's Super Skinny Daily Treatment. This is a conditioner that I use. The conditioner, it smooths and softens the strands, and then it also repairs and prevents damage. So that's probably one of the foundations you want to add into a wash and go. Especially if you do wash and goes daily, you need a conditioner to keep the moisture within your hair strands. So we're just going to smooth that out. And then I'm going to add the Eco Styler olive oil gel. Compared to the argan oil counterpart, this gel happens to flake the least. So this is one of my preferences. Comment down below which ones you guys use. I haven't really strayed away from this gel. And lastly, we're going to use the grapeseed oil. Not only is it moisturizing and conditions your hair if it's dry, it also helps break the cast that the Eco Styler gel may have after it's hardened. So it'll have that soft look to it. So now we're going to actually do shingles. So we're going to take a section of the hair, small little sections, and kind of twirl it down to give it a defined look. And then that's how I work my way through the entire head. And of course, make sure your hair is properly detangled prior to the wash and go. And then I will continue the same process throughout the rest of Okay, so I've completely finished applying the products in my hair. As you can see, some of my hair actually started drying, but if you can look from the back, I know you see a lot of white residue and you're kind of like, okay, how does that dry off? But the combination of the products, they actually work very well once you dry. Apply like a diffuser or something to dry your hair out, and which I will do just about now. And so I also apply the Talia Wajid's conditioning shine spray. It just adds additional shine to the hair. And so I'm using a diffuser. Not only does it help dry the hair quickly, it also provides volume. So you're going to flip over your head and kind of dry your hair that way so you can add more volume to your hair. One thing that I didn't notice until I put the video up is that my hair didn't properly dry. Look, I really think I did something. My hair is not completely dry, but I do have a couple of pictures that you can look at. I think they're coming in shortly, where you have day 1 wash and go hair where my hair is completely dry versus the last day. And it actually came out really good. I think it pops up right now. Oh, I think I'm cute, huh? I think it comes up right now. So you have day 1 and you have versus day 7. So of course, throughout the day, my hair frizzed up, but it still looked pretty good. And then I have one more, just the front view of my hair. Everything's completely dry. And yeah, you guys, that's basically how I achieved a flakeless wash and go. Just comment down below what products you guys use, and also comment down what else product reviews, hairstyles, or just hair tips that you would like. Thanks, guys. See you next time.